I think that's 20 years ago pa. So I will amend that. Sisibakin ko yung Pacquiao na yan, I'm telling you. So again, babalik ko dun sa 24 na tauhan niyo po inutil. Sibakin niyo po yun. Dole. Ano pong ginagawa po ng mga alipores ninyo? Pati yung secretary ninyo sa Dole, tatamaan sa akin. Pagdating ng budget deliberation, promise me, there will be fireworks. Promise. I promise you. I promise you. There will be fireworks. Upakan ko yung secretary ninyo. Director. Because after na mahagip namin ang office ko sa Senate, yung mga companies na may mga violations, labor violations, then may naiwan mga labor inspector doon. So can I get an update kung what has been done? Ano yung naging result? Napapaiwan? Sino pong mag-update? Ito pala, kasama ko si ma'am eh. Sa tandaan, di ba? Ikaw yung kasama ko. Thank you. Masipag to si ma'am eh. What's your name, ma'am? Ha?
Engineer Angie po.
Oh, dapat siyang gawin yung siyang gawin yung team leader nitong sa 24. Tapos ma'am, pagsisibakin mo itong 24. Okay, while you're studying that, kausapin ko muna itong National Wage Productivity Commission. Are they here?
Good afternoon, Senator.
Okay, Director Pia
Yes, sir.
Charmaine de Jesus. Na pag-usapan na po natin to during the last meeting, paano po nabibigyan ng permit ng isang company para mag-initiate o implement ng so-called Pacquiaoan o piece rate. Ang follow-up question ko lang ngayon from the previous meeting is, meron ba kayong ginagawang actual field inspection para makita kung pwede ba sila talaga magpakyawan at kung hindi ba nalulugi ang mga trabahador? You do that? How is it being done nga pala ulit? Yung tinatawag na
Time and motion
time
study
and
po.
motion study.
Yes po. Magandang hapon po, Senator. Yun pong, bago po makapag-come up, sir, ng piece rate, kailangan pong magsagawa ng tinatawag po na time and motion study. And it's only possible, sir, kapag ka nagpunta po yung ating staff from the Regional Tripartite Wages and Productivity Board para isagawa po yung tinatawag na time and motion study where they observe, sir, the processes being done by the workers and at the same time, sir, the working conditions in the company.
Okay. And after that time in motion inspection or visit, if you will, meron ba kayong follow-up later on?
Dapat, sir, bago ho gawin yung time and motion study na yon, nagkaroon po ng initial and exit conference with the management as well as with the workers. Ang result po noon, sir, ay mag-a-agree yung management and workers kung magkano po yung magiging piece rate doon po sa activities na gusto nilang magkaroon ng piece rate. Kapag na-issue na ho, sir, yung piece rate na yon, the next thing, the monitoring will be done, sir, by the labor inspection system under the DOLE na po.
Okay. I will amend the Pacquiaoan kasi nasa batas natin yan, nasa labor code. I will amend it. Sisibaking ko yung Pacquiaoan na yan. Because hindi makatarungan, very unfair itong Pacquiaoan na ito. Lahat ng mga nakausap ko na under Pacquiaoan ng mga empleyado, sir, 12-13 hours kami magtrabaho at kailangan magtrabaho kami ng paspas, mabilisan, pagod na kami at kikitain na nila 700 pesos. Pag nagtrabaho sila ng on a normal pace, kikita lang silang 300, 400. Outdated na ata yung sa Pacquiaoan, nasa labor code. I think that's 20 years ago pa. So I will amend that. Sisibaking ko yung Pacquiaoan na yan, I'm telling you. But for now, habang hindi ko pa napapa-amend yung batas at natatanggal yan, please give me a list of all companies, I mean all companies, na nabigyan nyo ng permiso para mag-implement ng piece rate.
If I may, Mr. Senator,
Now, pag wala sa listahan na yon, then I will make an announcement, radio, TV, social media. Pag wala sa listahan ninyo, yung company ninyo nanggaling sa National Wage Productivity Commission, ibig sabihin illegal ang pagpapakyawan sa inyo. Am I right? Am I making sense po?
Yes, Your Honor. Bago po kasi i-apply ang isang piece rate, dapat po talaga may piece rate order from the Regional Tripartite Wages and Productivity Board. And if I may update, Senator, we are in constant coordination po with your staff and you have been provided, your office has been provided, sir, with the list of companies with piece rate orders issued by Regions NCR and Calabarzon, sir.
Okay.
Mhm.
All right. Here, I have a list already. A
Yes,
very,
sir.
very short list. 1, 2, 3, 4 lang ang nabigyan nyo sa NCR.
Yes, Your Honor, that's for 2024.
So therefore, itong hundreds and hundreds of factories in Camanava and Metro Manila na wala dito ay illegal
The
ang kanilang pagpa-implement ng pakyawan.
The assumption, sir, is that they should be paying the minimum wage, sir.
Okay. 4 sa NCR, 13 sa Calabarzon. And yet, hundreds and hundreds of factories ginagamit yung pakyawan na meron doon silang license sa inyo para mag-implement ng pakyawan. So, who's supposed to be monitoring this? Is that DOLE? Again? O, ba't namamonitor po, ma'am? Ayan lang pala, oh. All you need to do pag nag-inspect kayo, hawak-hawak nyo ito, oh, hawak. O, sabihin nyo, o company A, wala ka sa listahan, ba't ka nagpapakyawan? So again, babalik ko dun sa 24 na tauhan niyo po inutil. Sibakin niyo po yun. Ipa-lifestyle check niyo po siguro, mas maganda. Ayan po, konti lang pala. Akala ko marami. I was thinking, hundreds ang nabigyan ng pakyawan piece rate permit. Napakunti nito. O ma'am, oh. Grabe naman, ma'am. Kaya yung mga napuntahan ko, nagpapa-implement ng pakyawan ng tawagan namin at thank you po Director Pia Sherman de Jesus, very effective po yung mga staff ninyo. Very accommodating. Pag tumatawag kami, ang bibilis po agad-agad. Wala sa listahan yan. Puro wala sa listahan, wala sa listahan, wala sa listahan. Dole. Ano pong ginagawa po ng mga alipores ninyo? So dito napatunayan na inutil po yung mga tao ninyo. Totoo po yan. Kung 100 o 200 ang nabigyan nilang permit, masasabi kong siyempre kalat-kalat yan, wala kayong time o kulang kayo sa manpower. Pero 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, all over the country na ito. So dapat pag pumupunta yung inyong mga tamad na mga alipores tuwing mag-inspection, ang una yung tanungin, may pakyawan ba dito? Taas ang kamay. Pag tinaas ang kamay, boom! Illegal ka. As simple as that. Basic. 1 plus 1. Diba, ma'am? So ano pong comment nyo? Why is that so?
That's why ito pong gagawin namin that of course we will submit a report for our labor inspectors in the Kamanava area and
Not only Kamanava, but in the whole NCR.
and the companies that they inspected. And
Yeah.
then yes, Your Honor, we will also conduct inspection on the manufacturing sector.
This is what I need you to do. Listen to me, listen carefully, and listen good. Yung mga inspector ninyo na nag-inspect ng mga companies this year, halimbawa 2024, 2025, ibigay nila sa akin yung pangalan ng kumpanya na in-inspect nila. At kapag in-inspect nila yon at hindi na nasa poll, na yun pala ay nagpapapakyawan at hindi nila kinol yung attention, then sibakin natin. Deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very
We will
good.
submit the
No, not submit. Let's make a deal. Bigyan mo ako ng listahan kasi kunti lang to, oh. 17. Tama? Oh, NCR pala and 4A. Okay, sige. Sorry, not all over the country. For NCR and 4A, 13 sa 4A, Region 4 na yan, malaki yan. And then 4 sa NCR. So give me a list of those manufacturing companies that were visited by your 24 labor inspectors in Kamanaba and your labor inspectors in the NCR. How many companies have they visited? And ano yung naging result ng kanilang visitation?
Yes, Your Honor. We will provide
At
their
kapag lumitaw
findings.
doon, nung pag-visit nila, hindi na na-flag down na meron palang pakyawan, ibig sabihin, they're not effective. Tama? Ibig sabihin, inutil sila. Lalo na kung patuloy pa rin pakyawan. Therefore, it's either suspend natin or tanggalin natin. Fair enough?
Your Honor, we will
Because if not, I will make a privileged
disciplinary
speech about
action.
this. Pati yung secretary ninyo sa Dole, tatamaan sa akin. Pagdating ng budget deliberation, promise me, there will be fireworks. Promise. I promise you. I promise you. There will be fireworks. Upakan ko yung secretary ninyo.